Today on the McBoisSMP, I opened a property firm. The plan was simple: steal my friend's land and sell it back to them to make big bucks. Although things took a turn for the worse and I had to go to court. Yes, court in Minecraft. Wish me good luck. Stick around to see the verdict. That's the courthouse. If we ever have land disputes, just whip out the deed. Does anyone else have a deed? Didn't think so. I've got to figure out which land will make the most sales for us. Dylan, kangaroo. He built this. I think I should put my claim on this. What makes this perfect? First, great view. Great view. $2 million view. Let's put that here. God, the plan's coming along. Dylan! Join this. And the plan has come along. Dylan is here, and it is time to sell him his land back.
But I've already got my properties.
No, Dylan, you have one property, actually.
No, there's that property over there, and my property's over there.
Actually, Dylan, let me show you something. Let me show you something.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. You've seen the deed. You've seen the deed.
Are you just like a government stealing my land?
This is owned by the Company Property Firm. Do you have a deed?
No one has a fucking deed for anything.
I also own the courthouse, Dylan, so I wouldn't be arguing right now.
Okay.
Look, Dylan, I need you to pay me if you want to continue using this land.
But what do I pay you?
Diamonds?
Fuck your deed. Get your deed out of here. Hey, no. Oh, no, I'm half art.
Really?
I'm half art. No.
Oh, that's my deed, Dylan.
Okay, how much do you want for the house?
Tell me what you have. I'm up to negotiate that, Dylan.
Bro, what the fuck do you mean?
Tell me what you have. You have 5 diamonds. Dylan, I can let you take this off my hands for 4. And the first spatter in the works. Jacob joins the call. Now this is alarming because Jacob is a legal studies student and he knows what he's talking about. There has been a verbal agreement.
I will hear the terms of this agreement. I'm coming over.
Jokes, I have 3 diamonds. You want an emerald as well?
Yes, the negotiator.
Don't do this.
No, Wolfie, don't tell him what to do.
I could have saved you the money, Dylan.
Why? What are you gonna do for me?
Well, I think we have a promising case here. It sounds like he's just placed his deed on your land.
I don't think he actually has.
Sounds like a good old case of Terra Nullius to me.
No, Wolfie. We will establish this in the courthouse. I'll see you in an hour.
Yes, we will. Let's go.
I'll see you in an hour. The courthouse isn't built. Let me build it. Simo? Where's Simo?
He's having dinner.
Okay, Nathan, can you be my lawyer, please? I started a property firm, okay, Nathan? I manufactured 6 of these. Give this a read. So then at this point, it was important to get my lawyer on board with the situation if there was any chance we'd win.
So I need to know what happened though. Where?
Should we walk and talk?
Yes.
Let's walk and talk.
So when did you place the deed? Just so I know.
When did I place the deed? I would say 10 minutes ago? 15 minutes ago? Maybe even 20.
Completely honest. Look, I'm not the judge here.
Nathan, you're my lawyer. I don't need you to be honest. I need you to be my lawyer.
Look, if we're talking off stream here, if we're talking off the books,
We're always talking off the books, Nathan.
it's gonna be a hard one. So if we're off the books, you definitely are in the wrong.
No, Nathan, this is not the kind of stuff we say off the books. Off the books, we talk about how we can rig court cases and make money. So at this point, I kind of realized I might be a bit screwed.
Good day.
The judge is here. And now it was the day of the case. It was beyond important that from now on, I remain focused and logical.
Can you speak? Can you speak?
I want the defendant to come in. Can I have the prosecuting side come in?
I will seek to paint my client either as the malicious land stealer or simply misguided. However, both of these are inaccurate. Louis is the one who has stolen the land, as simply placing a deed on land that somebody else has already built on does not give you ownership. And I will prove this.
The defendant may state their case. Wait, sorry, you must swear on the Bible.
I swear, by Almighty God, that the evidence I shall give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yeah!
Order in the
Yeah!
court. Welcome all to the first trial of our brand new nation. I would like to begin this statement by stating that my client has spent the last 12 hours being harassed by Dylan and his lawyer. My client merely witnessed to clear the good name of himself and the property firm. Thank you, Your
You
Honor.
may exit the speaking area. I guess the prosecution can present their evidence.
Okay. Nathan Pham, you're waffling. In order to have a
Presenting
valid
evidence.
contract, the seller, regardless of any verbal acceptance, the seller must own the goods they are selling. So before we can talk about harassment or false deeds or verbal contracts, we must first establish who owns the land. That's what this case is about. Attempting to claim ownership of something that someone is already building on is wrong.
I want to put this out right now. If Dylan owns it, where is the deed?
Oh my days.
Joel, where are...
Assassination. Someone had murdered the judge in the courthouse, and they started blaming my lawyer, Nathan.
Oh,
The
it was
defense...
Nathan.
Well, where's Nathan?
Nathan died from his
He
own,
also died.
I want
from his
Nathan
own
here.
attack.
In fact, you know what? Judge, can I have a word quickly?
Yeah,
I've been
you-
recording from my perspective for the last 5 minutes, and Wolfie's putting slander. I have all evidence right here, right now.
Okay, so then who did it?
It was Joel, because Joel was behind here. Someone had a pickaxe.
Oh, well. Alright, we'll continue because this really doesn't affect anything.
Okay, now I'm going to return this evidence to you. Now look back at it, after it's been given from Wolfie.
Is he doing magic?
Well, this is a bit of an issue here.
He's trying to do a magic trick.
The disappearing evidence.
This, Nathan, is fraud.
Your Honor,
Could be a
the
fact.
opposition has attempted to commit fraud.
I've been screwed.
I'm sorry, Jake. You did not have permission to
Also,
speak.
slander.
Can I eat? No, I'm about to die. No. Hello.
Hello. Nice
I'm
intro.
back.
Alright, Jake, you can come up to...
Can I have my things? Oh my no! This guy! This guy!
The
He
savage.
just ate my notch apple. I've scanned 4 million alternate universes. Nathan, there's only one. Chat, this is the most unlawful, unconstitutional court case I have ever partaken in. It is the first one, but it is the most unlawful.
Jake,
Yes.
personally, I was not there at the event, but I would like
Sure.
you to describe the story and retell
Sure.
how it happened.
Chatty, you're a businessman, I know you are. I can see it in your eyes. I'm one too. 24 hours ago, I decided to start a business. Company's property firm, the business you might see on the deed you were given. Following this, I was at my beachside property. We can have a look if you want. I know you don't. I know you. I'm sorry. Objection.
Irrelevant
Objection.
to the case.
Irrelevant. I'm sorry. I joined a VC with him, and he said, "What's up?" I said, "I'm selling property. Would you like some?" He says, "No, actually, I have property. I'm all good." I say, "Hey, Dylan, I've got this great piece of land. It's on a mountain. I would love for you to see it." We go up to the mountain. Let's pretend this is the mountain. And I tell him, "Dylan,
Quiet.
welcome to my property. This is my land. Notice the deed." He says, okay, I like this land a lot. I used to own this land. This is my old house. Oh wait, what a coincidence. I would actually like to buy it back.
Hang on.
Sorry.
Hear my objection. He
Alright.
keeps feeding you irrelevant bits of evidence in order to color your perception of my client.
Noted.
He says, oh wait, I only have 3 diamonds. Can I offer 3 diamonds, 1 emerald? I say, of course, Dylan. This property is worth that. I don't want to rip you off. And Wolfie says, no, Dylan, we're going to take this to court. And that's where we are today. Thank you.
You admit that you thought that it was land that nobody owned.
Sure.
And that is the crux of the case. Dylan owned the land, and thus your claim on it is invalid.
It is neither Dylan's or Jake's land. It is the First Nations lands. It always will be.
Your Honor, objection.
You just fucked over your own.
My lawyer's throwing. This is unfair. My lawyer is
So
throwing.
he-
Just 1 minute recess to gather up evidence and make your closing statement, Jake.
Can I say it?
Yeah.
Oh, I can.
No
I
recess?
can-
You don't need a recess? Okay,
I
just
can
say
go.
it right now.
This case, though it may have started as Dylan's request for compensation for me stealing his land, I simply ask the charges be dropped, considering he has continued to use the land as if he owns it. I have not used the land, therefore he has suffered no harm. There is no reason for this case, and I ask to be dismissed. Thank you.
Give me 1 minute to come to a verdict. Joel,
Do we have to
get into VC3. Look, this has been a very messy court case.
Agreed.
Now, as Jake has not hindered Dylan's ability,
okay.
there will be no charges. Hold on.
What?
Yes.
You still have to pay the court fee, Jake.
Why? Why?
Because you lost. That's what we agreed on at the start. Suck it.
Remember, court fee plus charges.
Judge, I would like to shake your hand.
Yeah,
Can I shake yours as well, Judge? Here we are.
yeah.
Good stuff.
Undeserved.
Have a good day.
Give
Have a
me
good
my
day, Your Honor.
fucking axe. Give me my fucking
Your
axe.
Honor, I would request.